This is how you get automatic subtitles or captions for your video in Adobe Premiere Pro. So I've got this clip here from a short, only 7 seconds long, but what we need to do is we need to go to text. If you don't see that, go to window, text, and then you need to go to the middle option, which is captions, create captions from transcript. I leave it as default. So the important thing is if you go down, set the max number of length in characters, it's usually to around, I usually do it to around 10. And then we need to change lines to single, click create captions, which will then automatically create basic looking captions. Then what we need to do is if we select them all, go to graphics and titles at the top, and then upgrade captions to graphics, that then makes them like as if they're normal text. Properties, click on one. If you select them all, that makes your life easier. And then you can customize them. So I would typically do Helvetica. So I like Helvetica because I'm basic. Text bigger. And then I would do it to higher up, which is that option. So then now let's just have a quick watch through. So then, as you can see in the word videographer, that's too big. So we just make it a bit smaller so then that way it all fits. So what I would do is I would go to effects, Gaussian blur, blur, Gaussian blur. So start out at 25, that's fine. Go forward 2 frames, 3 frames, set that to 0, and then transform, back that down, and then I would turn on the keyframing for position and scale. I would also click uncheck, use composition shutter angle, and set that to 180, so that gives you a nice bit of blur. To go back to here, what I would do, and also opacity as well. I'd also set a keyframe for opacity, and then I'd go to the start, lower the Y position, and drop the opacity to 0. So then that gives you a little fade up effect. And then what you can do is, what you need to do is you would select them both. I'm also going to make them a less than 3 frames. I'm going to do it as 2 frames because I think that looks better. I don't know why it's not selecting all of my frames. Because I've not on my keyframes because I haven't undropped it down. I would also do time interpolation, set them to ease in, and then I would select both transform and Gaussian blur. If you click Command or Control if you're on a Mac, if you're on a Command if you're on a Mac, Control if you're on a PC, save. Then you would do anchor to in point, and then you'd call it test, just an example. And then I'd select the rest of the clips that I want to add it to. Up to the presets thing, drag down test onto them, and then now you should have videographer. That is how I make captions for short form videos. So that is it for this video. If you did enjoy, be sure to let me know by leaving a like on it. If you want to see more videos like this, let me know down in the comments what you want to see, and be sure to subscribe. So yeah, I've been Ben with Start to Finish TV, and I'll see you in the next video.